Hey guys, what's up? Jonathan Rose. So for those who follow the channel, who follow me online at Masters in Trading, you know that I'm a relative value trader. Nothing is cheap in isolation. Nothing's expensive all by itself. We look at everything relative to something else. So in front of you, the blue is gold. The yellow is silver. The green is copper. Gold's been rallying like crazy ever since COVID. Silver had a delayed reaction. Silver actually fell. Silver is the trade that Dan here made over $140,000. Silver is a trade that we absolutely nailed. Silver and gold coming together, still very, very strong. Look at copper though. Everything is tied together. If you go back to 2015 and look at the relationship between silver, gold, and copper, here you can see that relationship broke down. We call it a rubber band. The rubber band stretches, the rubber band comes back. The rubber band stretches, the rubber band comes back. Again, the rubber band stretched between gold and silver. Silver had that rip your face off rally that it's still going through. I'm not one to say trading's easy, you guys, because trading ain't easy. But as far as trades, getting long copper right now, I hate to say it's easy, but it sure as heck makes a lot of sense to me. Getting long copper, silver as strong as can be, gold is as strong as can be, they're all correlated. Now, do you have to trade copper futures? Absolutely not. What makes sense is find companies that are correlated to the price of copper. Do some research, do some work. Don't just rely on basic technical analysis. I'll get you started. Copper, the pink. Freeport-McMoRan, major copper company, is going to be the yellow, FCX. Going back, let's go back and grab more data just so I can show you the tight correlation. I take you back 10 years. Again, copper in the pink, fuchsia, purple, whatever you want to call it. Freeport-McMoRan in the yellow. Extremely tightly correlated here. Freeport-McMoRan gets hit, copper gets hit, it rallies. They're correlated. We know that copper is stupidly inexpensive relative to gold and silver. So we have to expect copper to rally. Now, is it going to have a rip your face off rally like gold? Is it going to be a $140,000 trade like silver? I don't know. As traders, all you can do is put yourself in the best position to succeed. All you can do is control what you're able to control. We can't control how the market moves, but you know what we can do? Is when we see correlated assets break down in correlation, we can put ourselves in the best position to succeed. In my opinion, an absolute no-brainer trade is get your butt long copper. How do you do that? Again, straightforward way is FCX. You can buy stocks. Stocks at $14, $14.40. It's already started its move. Copper already started moving a little bit. But if I take you back to the first chart, this thing has a ways to go to even think about catching up with gold and silver. Let's go to the options. I'll give you some ideas for FCX. Now, the cool thing about FCX is these options are liquid as can be, right? Options are all about time, though. How much time do you need? 43 days? Maybe. Investors out there who don't need to be trading all the time and churning their account, grab yourself some time. Go out to November, go out to January. How about this? Consider the 18 strike. In January, it expires in 162 days, so you got about a half a year. Liquid as can be. You can buy these for 85 cents. If you buy 10 of them, it's an $850 investment. The stock's at $14.40. If you buy 10 of them, you're risking $850. Think of it like you're getting long 1,000 shares at 18 and you have a lot of time. That's the massive leverage you get in the options market. Now, again, you could just buy stock, fine. But if you want to get a little bit more bang for your buck, if you want to try to take advantage of a possible rip your face off rally, I like these options right here. Risk $850. Who knows? Maybe this thing goes to 25. Then you'll be pretty happy that you bought the options rather than the stock. My name is Jonathan Rose, and I'm the owner of Masters in Trading.